Switching name in Ome TV. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your name on Ome TV. So let's get started. First, you have to be at your Google and search for Ome TV website, and then at the website you have to log in to their account, or you can download it from Google Store if you are an Android user, or you can download it from App Store if you are an iPhone user. So if you're using it first time, it will ask you to sign in through Facebook or VK. So you just have to select the option you want to. So what it is actually a video chat platform. So the thing is, in order to use Ome TV, while continue with Facebook, whenever you continue with Facebook, or it automatically picks the name from your account. So in order to change the name, you just simply have to change your Facebook name, and it will automatically change the name on TV. That's all. That's how you will be able to do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.